just want to say most of these things are summery and are for Nutmeg to go for her summer themed cage tour. Honey has a summer theme type things which I'll be doing a cage tour for, but Nutmeg is obviously a new hamster and she doesn't have many toys, so all of these summery things are for Nutmeg, but there are a few little things that are for both hamsters. Okay, so the first thing I got was this Boredom Breaker Rainbow Play Bridge, and isn't this just so cute? It is absolutely lovely, a wonderful little thing to have in the cage, and this will be going in Nutmeg's summer themed cage tour. A very colourful rainbow, and then some really cute stairway to get up and down the bridge, so it's really cute, and it's just such a lovely funky looking toy, and this costs £3.68. So next we have this Boredom Breaker Grape and Gnaw for small animals, and this is definitely something quite summery. Grapes are fruit, and fruit does sort of go with summer because people do eat fruit when it comes to summer. And this is by Boredom Breaker, which is great. And this cost £1.60. So then we have this Boredom Breaker Woody's Flower Garland. And isn't this just super cute? This will go really nicely in the summer themed cage tour because it has got flowers on it and it's quite summery. And this costs £2.60. Another thing I got is this JW Nibble Sticks Toys and Trees pair. And this is an absolutely adorable, cute chew. Again, because it's a pear, it will go nicely with summer because obviously fruit is quite summery. And it's just this lovely, adorable pear shape, and you can get other fruits as well. And this costs £1.49. The next thing I got is this Boredom Breaker Floral Hanging Basket. And this is so summery, obviously, because it has flowers in a basket. And isn't it just so cute as well? It's going to look adorable hung up in the cage. And it does come with this little wooden hook so you can hang it up right in the bars. And this is by Boredom Breaker, as you can see. And this cost £3.06. Another thing I got was this Boredom Breaker Sleep and Play Cheese for small animals. And this is not summery, this won't go in the summer themed cage tour, but it's simply just a fun toy for Nutmeg. And this only costs £3.37. Next thing I got is this Boredom Breaker Nibble Sticks Woody's Fruity Spinners. And this is a nice chew for Nutmeg. It's nice and summery as well because it's a fruit. It's by Boredom Breaker. As you can see, it's very bright and colourful. And this costs £2.72. Next thing I got is this Boredom Breaker Rainbow Mobile, and this is just so cute. I've got so many cute things, but this is sure very summery because it has a lovely rainbow and a little sunshine and a little cloud, and they're both very cute, and they come with little bells. I love little things with bells. Isn't it just super cute? With a very handy clip, as you can see, so I can hang this up on the bars as well. And this costs £3.09. So next we have this Boredom Breaker Woody's Caterpillar, and as you probably know, Honey has one of these, but I thought I'd get Nutmeg one too because that'd be really super cute for the cage. And obviously caterpillars are very summery, but it's just so adorable because it's the most cutest chew you can ever buy. And this only costs £1.67. So then we have this Boredom Breaker Corny the Owl, and I've never had one of these in my life. This is so cute. I can't get over how adorable this tube is, and I love the fact it's all natural as well. It's such a great idea. Whoever came up with this idea, you are awesome. It's by Boredom Breaker as well, and also Rosewood. It's just such lovely natural material. I'll probably end up getting Honey one of these, but this for now will go to Nutmeg because it's just going to look really cute. Now this is not summery, I guess. It's just not summery. Owls are not summery, but I may add it in the cage tour anyway just to give Nutmeg more of a chew because it's not just about the theme, it's also about what Nutmeg needs as well. And this costs £1.38. Then I got the Supreme Hazel and Friends Small Animal Treats, and these are the pecan and maple cookies, and these are they look so yummy, but they're really cute at the same time because what better than cookies for hamsters that are just made for them. That's just super cute. Has an adorable hamster on the packet as well, and I had to get these. I've wanted these for quite a while and I thought why not, and these are going to go to both hamsters, both Honey and Nutmeg. That'll be a nice treat for them. And these cost £1.29. So another thing I got is this Rotostack Wooden Small Animal Play Bridge, and I thought I'd get Nutmeg this because hamsters love bridges, and I think every hamster owner has one of these for their hamsters. They are great toys for hamsters, and Nutmeg definitely needed one more, so I thought I'd buy her this because it's such a great bridge. And this cost £1.89. So now for something extra durable. So we have this Super Pet Jungle Bungalow, and it's a lion. So you can also get the hippo and the elephant, and I think you can get something else, but yeah, the lion was the only one available, so I thought that'd be really nice anyway. And of course it's going to go on my summer themed cage tour because I think lions can be quite summery. Think about a jungle. As you can see by the cool little label on there, Jungle Bungalows, so it's really, really cool. But oh my god, can you imagine Nutmeg's little adorable face popping out of this lion? This cost £2.57. Another thing I got is this Rosewood Boredom Breaker Woody's Nibble Sticks. And these are basically just little fruit veg chews. They look a lot like the Pets at Home ones, only a little bit slightly different with colours. And I thought this would be really nice for Nutmeg because she doesn't have hardly any chews, and these would be great chews for Nutmeg. I may occasionally give one to Honey as well, but these are mainly going to be for Nutmeg because Nutmeg does need a lot of different chews and toys, and this would be another good start for chews. And these were 95p. So the next thing I got is this Boredom Breaker Carrot Dream Catcher, and you probably recognise this. I did actually get one of these for Honey, and I thought I'd get Nutmeg one too because it's really cute. I saw it on Viovet website, and it'd be nice to hang up, and of course it's quite summery because carrots and corn can be very summery as well. And it's all natural loofah and sisal. And this cost £2.47. And the last thing I got are these Boredom Breaker Woody's Fruity Spinners, and these are the apples. You can also get the pears as well, and both are adorable. But these apples are super cute and they're very summery as well. As you know, Honey has one of these, and I thought I'd get Nutmeg one too. And I believe these were £2.72. Here is an overview of everything. So as you can see, I've got so many things, and this has to be the cutest haul I've ever done. I'm very, very happy with this order. I've got so many things I'm so happy with, and I'm sure Nutmeg will really love everything. And of course Honey will have a few things like the treats and a few other bits and bobs, but most of this is for Nutmeg because she is a new hamster, and any new pet of mine does get spoiled. Yeah, so that's basically the Viovet haul. It's actually turned out to be quite a huge Viovet haul, so I might title it as Huge Viovet Haul because I did get a lot more things than I actually thought I would. So the total price, everything from Viovet, cost £35.26. I personally think that's a great price considering I've got so many amazing, lovely things, and that's everything from Viovet. I would also like to add very quickly that I will be doing the summer themed cage tours. I know they're going to be a little bit late, and today is the last day of August, but hey, it's still quite summery, it's still quite warm at the moment, and the things did arrive, and I have been on holiday, so I'll most likely get the summer themed cage tours done tomorrow or sometime this week, so look out for those. And I'm really happy with how everything got packaged up. This is super thick, big bubble wrap, and oh my god, because it's so big, it's really, really poppy. Just want to pop everything. So I have been popping the whole way through this video. I'm just having so much fun popping, having a whale of a time, popping this stuff. Yeah. And that's everything. So that's the video, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.